In this lesson, we're going to cover accounting. Now, accounting in cybersecurity is a security measure that ensures all user activities during a communication or transaction are properly tracked and recorded. Essentially, accounting focuses on monitoring and logging the actions of users or entities during their digital interactions. Let's imagine you just received two different bank statements from your online bank. The first one states that you spent $1,000 last month, but they didn't provide any details on the specific transaction dates, times, locations, or amounts. Your second statement, though, came with a complete transaction log showcasing every deposit, withdrawal, and purchase that you've made over the last 30 days with their associated dates, times, locations, and amounts. Now, which of these two bank statements would give you more confidence and clarity about your financial activity over the last month? Well, if you're like most people, you probably prefer the second bank statement with all the supporting details, because now you know exactly what happened and where. This gives you more trust in the validity of this bank statement too, because it provides more transparency, security, and accountability. This is exactly what we're aiming to achieve by utilizing accounting inside of our organizations. You see, accounting isn't just about keeping tabs on your money. It's about monitoring and logging every action that a user makes within a given system. These actions can include things like logging into the system, accessing files, modifying configuration settings, downloading or installing software, or even attempting unauthorized actions across the organization's systems and networks. Your organization should use a robust accounting system so that you can create an audit trail, maintain regulatory compliance, conduct forensic analysis, perform resource optimization, and achieve user accountability. First, we have an audit trail. Now, an accounting system is used to create an audit trail that provides a chronological record of all of your user activities that can be used to trace any changes, unauthorized access, or anomalies back to a specific user or point in time. Second, we have regulatory compliance. Now, many industries and countries have strict regulations regarding data protection and privacy. By using an effective accounting system, we can ensure that our organizations are adhering to these regulations by maintaining a comprehensive record of all of their users' activities. Third, we have forensic analysis. In the unfortunate event of a security breach, a detailed accounting and event log can help our cybersecurity experts understand exactly what happened, how it happened, and how to prevent similar incidents from occurring again in the future. Fourth, we have resource optimization. By tracking which resources, like bandwidth or cloud storage, are being utilized and by whom, organizations can make more informed decisions on resource allocation to ensure that system performance is being optimized and your costs are being minimized. Fifth and finally, we have user accountability. With a thorough accounting system in place, users will know that their actions are being monitored and logged, which in turn can also deter potential misuse and ensure adherence with your organization's cybersecurity policies. Now, to perform accounting, we're usually going to use different technologies like syslog servers, network analysis tools, and security information and event management systems known as a SIEM. Syslog servers are going to be used to aggregate logs from across various network devices and systems so that system administrators can analyze them to detect patterns or anomalies in the organization's systems. Network analyzers like Wireshark can be used to capture and analyze network traffic so that network administrators can gain detailed insights into all the data moving across their network. And a security information and event management system, known as a SIEM, will provide us with a real-time analysis of our security alerts that are generated by various hardware and software infrastructure pieces inside of our organization. So remember, accounting is used to ensure that every action within a system is tracked and recorded. This meticulous record-keeping provides transparency, enables regulatory compliance, aids in forensic analysis, ensures resource optimization, and holds users accountable for their actions. Just as you'd want a detailed statement of your bank transactions to ensure financial transparency in the digital world, accounting stands as a testament to a system's integrity and security. It's a pivotal component of security, and it's used to ensure that every transaction and every interaction is transparent, traceable, and trustworthy.